am Dr. Shanaz Arsiwala from Mumbai, and today I am here to talk with you about sunscreens. It's very difficult to choose a sunscreen. When you pick up one, you always feel whether I have picked up a right product. So I'm going to help you to choose a sunscreen. Now the first fact that you look into on a bottle of a sunscreen is something called as the SPF. The SPF stands for the sun protection factor. Now this sun protection factor on a sunscreen label decides the degree of protection you are going to get from the product. So the sunscreen SPF is labeled as various figures on the bottle. Now if your label says that the sunscreen has an SPF of 15, it means that it protects you 15 times in the sun as compared to if you were not wearing a sun cream. And that is important. So you choose the sunscreen depending on the outward exposure to the outdoor light that you have. Now the second important fact is many people think I do not go out in the sun, so why should I wear a sun cream? Now there's an important reason why you should wear a sun cream indoors, because there's another ray of light called as the UVA radiation. The UVA radiation enters into the window panes into our homes and offices, and this is the radiation responsible for bringing in daylight. So the second feature that you should be looking onto your sun cream is the UVA protection. The UVA protection is put into a label as a single or a triple plus, and the degree of protection obtained is to indoor lights, and a recent study has shown that the UVA label can also protect you from artificial sources of lights like computer monitors, infrared gas in the kitchen, cell phone lights, and tube lights and bulbs. So indoor protection becomes equally important. The third fact that you should look into a sun cream bottle is what is the base of a sun cream. So the base of the sun cream should be decided by you according to your skin type and according to the nature of the activity that you are undertaking. So the base, if you are an oily skin, you need a sunscreen which can't make you more greasy. So you need a gel based sunscreen. If your skin is dry, you need a sunscreen which can add a moisturizer and create a further protection. So you need to hydrate and protect. So you may need a lotion based or a cream based sun cream. So once you have your SPF and the UVA protection in place, you can choose your base according to the type of the skin and the outdoor activity. The fourth is the technique of application of the sun cream. So the technique is very important. So there are two rules in the technique. One is how much to apply, and second is where to apply. Now how much to apply, an ounce full is enough to cover all your exposed area. So the amount of sunscreen, roughly on Indian standards, if you say 1 teaspoon should cover your face, neck, the ears if they are exposed, and also sometimes in male patients we say that if the hairline is balding, don't forget to apply the sunscreen on the front of the forehead. And also you should cover the neck and the V of the chest, the exposed part of the arms. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Skin Diaries, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.